Good morning, wanderers. Yep, not quite set up. I am rushing around today like a chicken with his head cut off, trying to get everything taken care of. We are back out at the adventure vehicle. Now, I drove a whole day of work. I don't know how many miles that was. I'm going to put my hoodie up because I am cold. And I drove back to Goldsboro. I haven't checked the Blue Devil since. So we're going to check her right now together because, well, that's what we like to do, guys. That all still looks pretty good in there. I don't think that looks any more. Let's check our overflow. Overflow looks to be right where it was at. Maybe, it's actually back down to the full, and I think we used about an inch out of that overflow. Yes, I definitely would say we've got an inch out of that overflow we've used. And let's see what we got here. Full. So the system's working right. Now, we've got an inch out of that overflow, but remember, we filled everything up, and you got some air in there, so hopefully all the air is purged, and these levels don't change. As long as those levels stay the same, we're doing wonderful, guys. Okay, now this is where I am gonna move that back so I don't get oil all over it. We'll check our oil because we did make that long drive. See where we're at on our oil. Let's see what we got there, guys. Still perfect, exactly where it was when we left. Fabuloso. Directly just below the full, but there's an inch of space between empty and full. I mean, or low. I should say low and high. And then there's overfull. So they give you 3 marks, which is kind of nice. Woo. Okay, so that means she's ready to, well, turn the key and start. And is my ringer on? Because that'll suck if he calls and I miss it. Didn't hear that. Okay, let's hop in here. Now she's been sitting since we got her back. I don't know, you want to see that? You want to see that right there? Whoa. Door's open. I know, modern, huh? Look at that. We're going to turn the frickin' breezy coldness down. Everything is cold. Okay, so we're gonna leave her warm up. But as far as I'm concerned, look, the adventure vehicle, guys, she is ready for another long work month. We've got some shears in the back, and we're gonna go move basically all of these shears. And then we're going to get new ones in and get more pictures. We're just going to let her warm for a while. I'm going to turn her lights off, though. It's a bit of waste of power there, Willy. Man, it is cold right now, guys. Freezing. Oh, I'd like my other clothes, too, would be nice. They're in here somewhere. I've got a actual jacket right here. Thing is, I don't know where my